guys, it's me Shakira. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a cartwheel. So the first thing you want to do is tie up your hair so it doesn't get in the way.
So the next thing you want to do is stretch, because you don't want to pull a muscle or anything. So we're just going to like stretch our legs for 10 seconds. And the other leg. You don't have to go all the way down, you can just like go like this if you like. And then in the middle. And go for 10 seconds. You also want to stretch your arms for 10 seconds. And the other arm. And then you're done.
Look what I'm whipping now. Look how I'm cooking now. I'm so fitted. I'm on Gucci.
Now whatever leg you're comfortable with, I'm comfortable with my right. You're going to put it out with your right arm. And you're going to go down and put your right arm on the floor. And then your left arm next to it. And you're going to push off with your right foot and flip over like that. So I'm going to do that again. Put your right leg out, your right hand on the ground, your left hand next to it, and push off the ground and flip over. So you want to keep practicing to do these steps for maybe a couple of days or weeks until you get the hang of it. And if you like, you can practice on the couch or the trampoline. And if you're too scared of flipping over, you can practice landing on a softer surface, like maybe a pillow, so then you don't hurt yourself.
Bye guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to do a cartwheel. If you did, please like and subscribe. And remember, you can't get a cartwheel in one day, because I didn't. You need to keep practicing lots, and then I hope you finally get it. Bye!